I am coming to second time of factorization. Second time. What is that? Then I will check. Let x square minus 5x plus 6. So, what I told as last, I will do factorization. I will keep both the terms same. First and last term will be same. Only write, all I will write as same only except this middle term. I will make it addition or subtraction of two terms. Now, what I told us before, I will check the sign of first and third term. Here is plus, here is plus, here is nothing, means it is also plus. That means I have to do plus. Whatever here is minus, but I have to do plus of two terms. And what is the two terms I will get? I will get these two terms, the third terms and the first terms. I will get the two terms from the third and first, multiplication of these two. First term is nothing, means 1. So 1 into 6 is 6. Now I will do factorization of 6. 3 2s are 6. So can I write 3 plus 2 is 5? So I am writing middle term as a addition of two terms, and I get these two terms from there. Check, it is 6. 3 2s are 6, into is 6 and plus is 5. So what will be there? X square. Now I will multiply with this minus into x, minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. So x. Now there will be 4 terms. I will take first two terms, second two terms. And middle minus will be there. Whatever, if there is plus, there will be plus. If there is minus, there will be minus. Now for first two term, what is common? X is common. If x is common, then what is left? X minus 3. From these two terms, what is common? 2 and 6. So 2 is common. Now minus 2 I am taking common. That means x will be there. So now tell me what will be this sign. Here is plus. If I take minus, so minus a plus. So I have to keep here minus. So now I get two terms. Middle minus, this side x into x minus 3, this side 2 into x minus 3. Now from both the term, x minus 3 is common. So what I get? X minus 3 is common. So I am removing x minus 3. So what is left here? X, here minus 2. So I get this term. So I can tell x square minus 5x plus 6. I get the factor of x square minus 5x plus 6 in multiplication of two terms, and these two are the factor of this.